40 Greenough Avenue is unlike any other home I've ever seen in Boston. The people who know this home talk about it with a certain kind of unique reverence. This is a very special residence full of grandeur and a beautiful essence. One can live here with a connection to history and yet timelessness all at once. You can only imagine the years in this house, all the way from the Victorian era to the 21st century. Grace, proportions, flow, stateliness, light, it's all here. Its lush gardens are delightful and so private. With a heated lap pool to enjoy year-round, this unique outdoor space is a true oasis in the heart of the city. It simply is unmatched. There's something about being in this home, just being here, that is a very special feeling. I invite you to come see it in full color.